Okay, so here is the blades. Slightly tinted black there. And then what does it say on here? But then there we go. Warning, keep this plastic bag well out of reach of babies and children. Risk of suffocation. This plastic bag is not a toy. Dispose of this plastic bag and all other packaging materials as soon as you have unpacked the product. Do not reuse. Okay, so we got the blades. Here's the grill. I think, oh yeah, this is the back grill. And there's that convenient carrying handle. Here's the same bag there. And here's the front grill. It's just white on the front there. Thought it would have like the Mainstays logo or something on there. I'll have to put a sticker on there. Ah, yes. Also, yeah, take a good look. It ain't gonna look like that. Look like that forever. Okay. So there's the grills and the blades. Now let's get the base here. What is this bit? Oh, is this no? Tight and loosen. It must be something that goes on the base or something. A little screw there. Interesting. Oh, and there's like the info of it. Okay, so we got that, and then lastly we got the big part. It's got like this thing wrapped around it. It's like an egg carton material or something. And it's got another one of these bags, all of them, even with this taped here. Well, that should be good enough to get it out with. Okay. And it's got this little thing around the metal bit. Piece of styrofoam with some cardboard on the end. Interesting. So, oh yeah, then it's got like a little screwy bit. Oh, there's that same thing, loose and tighten. There's the oscillating button. There's the bit that goes into the base. And then it pivots as well. So, alright, let's get this thing assembled, eh? Alright, so here we got the base. we go. Nice. Okay, and then I think we need the back plate, or the the back grill. Oh! You have to take this little thing off. Then put this on. Then put it back on. Oh, and then I think there's holes you gotta match it up with as well. Correct? Or no? Alright, I think I'm gonna have to complete the rest of this off camera, and then I'll just, like, you know, show you when it's completed. So, yeah.